ATS tube-to-fin liquid-to-air heat exchangers are made with the industry's highest density fins to maximize the heat transfer from the liquid to air. This allows for the liquid to be cooled to lower temperatures than other heat exchangers on the market can achieve. The heat exchanger's fins and tubes are made of copper, allowing it to be suitable for a variety of fluids and applications. ATS heat exchangers are offered in 49 different options, featuring a range of sizes and heat transfer capacities. They are customizable and available with or without a fan. Heat exchangers can be used in a wide variety of applications, including automotive, industrial, HVAC, electronics, and medical. For more information on heat exchangers and other liquid cooling products from ATS, visit qats.com.